at the Burbank Self Storage for the Haunted Storage Yard right off San Fernando, kind of near the Burbank Airport. Very cool display.
I've been keeping these tools nice and sharp. I need a skeleton or two for my haunted house. Yours looks just about right. Very cozy. I'll even tuck you in with a few layers of soil on top to have a nice, long rest. I know the worms would appreciate you.
That was the haunted... There's traffic, we're on a main street. There we go. That was the haunted storage yard at Burbank Self Storage here on San Fernando between Buena Vista and Hollywood Way, right near the Burbank Airport. I was talking to David, the organizer of this. They've been doing it 7 years. And he also has a YouTube channel, Coaster Challenge, and a podcast, the same name. So I'll put a link down in the description. It is free to walk through. If you're in the area, it's really cool. There's some really neat props. Those singing witches were hysterical. So I would definitely recommend coming out if you're in the Burbank area. If you combine it with some other home haunts, go to SoCalHauntList.com. I'll put a link down in the description of all the local home haunts across Southern California. There's a ton here in the Burbank area, so you can combine this with some home haunts. They are open nightly between 7 to 9 or 7 to 10, depending on the day, through Halloween. So you can come on out completely free, like I said, walk through, have a good time, enjoy, take some pictures. That was the Haunted Storage Yard here in Burbank. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And you can follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That's it.